Things you can say in the workshop, but also in the bedroom.
It looked larger in the pictures. You ever invite friends over? Do you measure in inches or centimeters? It's a tight fit, but with a bit of grease I'll bet I'll be able to hammer that one in. Yep, I'm gonna need safety glasses for this. I had to freeze the nipple off, but luckily I have spares. I prefer a glossy finish. It works better with two hands. Better go get my dad to help move this one.